Alright guys, so here's what my current Etsy stockpile looks like, along with, my wife's stuff. She does custom sheet shirts. All my F-bombs down there, all my metal birds and fairies and squirrels and gnomes and stuff. And those are all t-shirts. My wife does custom t-shirts. I don't know how well y'all can see this. We got the heat presses, computers, printers, vinyl cutters. It's all t-shirts and stuff. All her custom orders. So I think my next YouTube video is going to be sorting this stuff out. And probably make me some little custom holders so I can stand them up. Get all my little birds and all my Etsy stuff sorted out. And now here is the Etsy stockpile that I have in my shop. So I need to get all this sorted out and get it all figured out. But I think we're going to build some shelves and get everything like it's supposed to be. How well y'all can see this file, but that is what I'm fixing to cut for my new shelves. Help organize my Etsy stuff. Alright, so all the parts are cut out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this off the get all the parts off his sheet, and then we'll go for a little ride on the tractor. We'll take his 16 gauge off here, and we'll get a sheet of 10 gauge put on there. Alright, all you guys up north, I got an appreciation for y'all liking the snow and stuff, but your weather is down here in Texas, and I believe it's been drinking again, so if you get a chance, come on back and get it. Take it back here with you, because I don't like the snow. Alright guys, this was just a quick little video trying to organize my Etsy stuff a little bit. And you can see it's cold out here. But yeah, be a good person. If you like this video, like, subscribe, check out my Etsy page. And all this was trying to organize my Etsy stuff a little better. So have a blessed day.